2.3 Representation of Vectors. So in this topic we will learn about how do we represent a vector in our copy. Geometrically, a vector's magnitude is represented by a straight line and the direction is represented by an arrow. Okay, let us go to the first point. Magnitude is represented by a straight line. Suppose it is said that you need to write a vector whose length is 100 meter. So what will you do? You will write a straight line which may represent your vector of 100 meter, and the second part, which is the direction, it is represented by an arrow. So suppose your vector is directed towards the right side, then we will give an arrow towards the right side. So this is the vector. So obviously you cannot write a 100 meter long straight line in your copy. So you have to write the approximated ratio. Suppose again you are said to write a 50 meter line under the 100 meter line. Now what will you do? You will write a straight line which is half of the former straight line and represent it with 50 meter. In this way, by maintaining ratio, you can write your vectors in your copy. Now suppose a vector is denoted by an alphabet which is A. You can denote it with B, C, D, E, F up to X, Y, Z. You can denote it with any of the letters. A vector quantity is denoted with an arrow above its head, or you can denote it with a straight line above the alphabet, or you can denote it with a straight line underneath the alphabet. Now, in case of finding the magnitude, what will you do? The magnitude is denoted by this vector and modulus on the both sides. This is denoted by the magnitude. Simply you can write it as A. The direction and the modulus part cut each other out. Now a vector has 2 points. This is called the initial point and the frontal part is called the terminal point. So in this way you can represent a vector quantity geometrically.